Hello, hello. Hello, hello. It is 4:19. I got off work early because the mail was light. Everything was light. Light, 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 light. I just left the Kratom. Got some Kratom. We're going to go to Walmart because I have to get a couple things. And then we're going home. Next week, we're going to the vet. And next week, even though I feel like when you talk about stuff like this, it just makes things happen. I really believe that. Next week, I need to take my car to get it looked at because it's making a weird noise, and that's all I'm going to say. Because it may not be true, whatever, but I just feel like if you talk about it's going to, okay, so we're going to take it in. It's making a weird noise. It's freaking me out because I don't know. It's freaking me out, and I don't like it, and I have to drive a lot. So we're going to fit that in and just, I don't know what we're going to do. I don't know. I know everything's going to cost a lot of money and we'll figure it out, but it's just frustrating, but whatever. Okay, so it is Thursday. I'm going to the store. EXO is going to a play at school with Will. So that's what they're going to do this evening. I'm going to make burgers without the bun. I'm going to make burgers. I'm going to make them and I'm going to put Swiss cheese on top. And I'm going to fry up some onions and mushrooms. And I'm going to eat it. It's going to be great. That's what I've been thinking about today. That's what I want for dinner. So that's what we're doing. But anyway, I just want to go ahead and start the vlog. I hope you're having a good week. I'm having a good week. I'm just in a mood. Nothing feels quite right for me. Everything feels off. I don't know, worried. My buddy Frank asked me, how I was doing with Benson and whatever. And then I started talking to him, and then I was crying about everything. So, I don't know. And then, my car is making this noise, and I feel like it's going to explode. Oh, my God. I get nervous about cars. That's all I'm going to say. I really do. It scares me, because not having one sucks. And I know you have to maintain it, so I'm going to take it to the place that I got it, because they have a mechanic place. So maybe I'll get some kind of discount. I don't know, man. That would be nice. One more year. Next April, I think the car will be paid off. And that's when things are going to break down. Because when I paid off my Camry, I had about maybe 2 or 3 months of no car payment, and then it just broke. Damn thing exploded. So before I got this car, when I was looking at cars, the first car I decided on was a Chevy, I want to say a Spark. I think that's what it's called. It's a really small car. Chevy Spark. Real small car, a 4-door, really small, cute. A 2015. And I drove it around for about a week, and the engine exploded. Not with me in it, but it did. So I had to take it back. Then I tried another Toyota, and that one, I had it for a couple of days, and that one, something was wrong with I don't know. And yes, I went to a car dealership. It was a nightmare. Okay, and I didn't go to some crazy rinky-dink car. I didn't. It was just the craziest thing. I kept picking these damn cars. Anyway, I don't want to talk about it anymore. It's stressing me out just talking about it. All right, we're almost at Walmart. And since the snow, the car is really dirty on the outside because of all the snow and the dirt and the whatever. And I've been wanting to take it to the car wash because, I have a membership. And I can just roll right on through. But every day, the car wash has been a line, out on the street. and it's right by my work, but I don't feel like waiting in the line. So I'm riding around in a dirty car. I guess I just needed a vent. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna run into Walmart, grab what I need, and then we're gonna go home. It is now 4:25. I just want to go home. That's all I want to do is go home. It's 5:04 and we are home. Benson is eating. I am going to take a shower and get myself situated and make some dinner. You know what? I don't know. I know people try to be positive, and it's not coming from a mean. I know it's not, but it's like when, and I'm not talking about the vlog, like people are like, oh, Benson's fine, nothing's wrong with him. Clearly something is wrong with him, and I hate that because you can see it. The bumps on his leg have gotten worse. The bump right here is getting bigger, and you can't. I'm just frustrated. And I know that they're saying it to be like, positive. I get that, but also then that's not true. Like, I don't want to sugarcoat it, and I don't know. Anyway, it's 5:05 and EXO is gonna go to a play. I'm gonna make some dinner, take a shower, hang out, and that's about it. I just have like no desire to do anything right now. I just feel very defeated. Now my freaking car is like, I don't know what's going on with that. Something is going on. And like we've already talked about, my brain doesn't work right. It's like thinking just the worst shit. And I know that's not right. I'm not trying to be negative Nancy. But if you were to ask Benson, he'd say everything's great. He's eating, he's pooping, he's peeing, he's playing, running around in circles. He's doing everything. Like nothing's wrong. But something is wrong. Ugh. Anyway, I'm done. I will check back in with you in a little bit. Beanie. Come on, buddy. He doesn't want to go yet, but we've been out here for 30 minutes. Come on, Beanie. Look at my Beanie. It's 9:35. I'm going to bed. Have you read the book It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover? Do you know the drama between Blake Lively and, what's his name? His name is Justin Baldoni. And he was Raphael in Jane the Virgin. And I don't get in all the mix of like the celebrities. I don't care, whatever. But I saw it on TikTok about this lawsuit with Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni. And I was interested. I wanted to know. And personally, I think that he didn't do anything wrong, in my opinion. And after looking up all this stuff, and, I've only been looking at this stuff for maybe 2 weeks. Okay, I'm not a professional investigator, but I feel like Blake Lively, she seems like she's a mean girl. And I was going to watch Gossip Girl because I believe she's in Gossip Girl, but I don't want to anymore. And I listened to the book, It Ends With Us, which was really good. I enjoyed it, which I also listened to. I finished it today. It Starts With Us, which is the next book. If you read It Ends With Us, the next book is It Starts With Us. And I liked it. It was good. I watched the movie first. I've tried to say this 5 times because I have Benson right here. I watched the movie first and then I listened to the book. And I thought it was really good. He's standing right in front of me and he's got drool. And it's like the closer he gets, the closer that drool gets to me. But anyway, I don't know if you guys have heard about the drama between Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni. If you have, what do you think? Who do you think is telling the truth? If not, whatever. I personally think that I don't think he did what she says that he did. And that's all I'm going to say. You know, I don't look at my hair, man. My hair looks so ugly. I haven't done anything to it. I haven't done anything to it. I want to curl it. Oh, God, I don't know how people have curly hair and it looks good because mine looks like poop. Okay, it really does. And I bought all that stuff, all those products. Maybe I'm not using them right, but it looks like poop. Okay, I don't like it. Ugly. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and go. I will talk to you tomorrow. Maybe I'll do my hair tomorrow. I hope you're having a good week. Tomorrow is Friday, and I think it's going to rain. I can't find my shorts because I think that tomorrow it's going to be like 75 degrees. So I'm going to wear my pants. I don't want the snow. I'm done with it, but I'm not ready to put shorts on yet because I'm not ready to sweat. All right, I'm going to go. I'll talk to you tomorrow. As always, I'll vlog again tomorrow. Bye, everyone.